Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find and use the Splice tool on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have, let's say, this video right here, and I want to split it into like 3 parts. Select your video and select the split, or use the shortcut, which is Control K. Why did I say central? Which is Control K, and it's split into 3 separate parts. Now, if you just want to, like, for instance, cut off the bits, you used to have to do this and like delete them, but now you can just select the clip and like go to the part where you want to remove and select delete right. So it's going to delete the right part of your video, and for instance you want to delete the first bits of your video, just select split left, which is this one, and it's going to delete it. And that's basically where it is. If you can't find it, it's because you don't have a video on your track, so make sure you have a video here, and it's going to be displayed up here. So yeah, that is it. You also have this as well, which you can just like cut your like clips into like smaller clips, but I find this bit easier. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!